going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Nick Bartell, Editor-in-Chief for Techno Warriors TV, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're unboxing the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X, our very first CPU unboxing on the channel. I'd like to give a big thank you and Happy New Year shout out to Robert Graham from AMD. Awesome guy. He's one of the marketing specialists over there, and I want to give you an awesome shout out and thank you so much for your awesome support. You are a true techno warrior. Pow! Right in the kisser. We're gonna have some more cool stuff from AMD in the future, so make sure you stay tuned. So I want to wish I wish everybody a happy and safe CES in Las Vegas. I couldn't be there because my work with the United States Geological Survey, which is kind of sad. I wish I was there covering the event, but oh well. But ladies and gentlemen, let's continue on. So we have the box here itself, as you can see on the top, AMD logo, Ryzen logo here, Ryzen 5000 series processor, little 7 right there, looking real sharp there. Now, you got a couple things on the left and right side. As you can see here. Look, that right. If you can take a look at that, there's a little window here. If I can get the camera to focus in there. There you go. You can see the processor right through that little window there. Looking real cool. Got the AMD logo right there. And on the right side, we actually have some pretty cool stuff here. Now, this is just like a barcode, and it shows some of the stuff on here. On the back, we're going to have the actual processor itself. Okay. PCI Express 4.0. So, this is compatible with X470, 570 motherboards. So, with a BIOS update, so just make sure you update the BIOS. And one thing I would recommend if you are updating your BIOS, just make sure you have everything, plenty of power, and, you know, follow the directions that come on the instruction video. Okay, as you can see right here, we have the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X, 8-core, 16-thread processor, PCI Express 4.0, 4.7 GHz max boost, 3.8 GHz base, discrete graphics card required. This means that you will need a graphics card in your system for the CPU to work fully. Now, if this CPU does not boot on your motherboard, it does mean that it's either compatible or you need to update your BIOS for it to be compatible. Okay, now on the back of here, we just have more information, more blah 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 blah. Zen 3 architecture, socket 4, AM4, all that fun stuff. And Zen 4 is going to be the new 7000 series from AMD. I'd love to get my hands on that. So let's go ahead and open this little guy, shall we? Okay, made a little incision there, so we're going to lift this up. Nothing here. I'm going to move that aside. Then right here, it says important. Okay. It's going to give you a little thing that says the AMD Ryzen 5 series processor contained in this package is compatible with socket AM4 motherboards. With the compatible BIOS update has been installed. Please contact the manufacturer, blah 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 blah. So just make sure your AMD's motherboard's BIOS is up to date. So let's see. Anything else in here? Nope. Gonna move this box out of the way. Now, included here, you get a cool little case badge here. Shows you the name of the processor. And then under this here, it's the actual CPU. You can see what it looks like under there. Now, because of safety reasons, I am not taking this out of its package. I will open it. you can see it there. But because of safety reasons with the delicate pins, I am not removing this processor from its package. Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is pretty much it. The nitty gritty. You get some literature, a warning to tell you to update the BIOS, and the sticker and CPU itself. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this has been the unboxing, and this is what comes with your AMD Ryzen 7 5800X. Now, some editions of this processor will come with the AMD Ryzen cooler, an RGB style cooler, but some of them won't, like this. Keep in mind you will want to update your BIOS. Okay, so that is nothing really to write home about. You get your CPU, you get a little sticker, and literature. As you can see, like this is what the sticker looks like. It's this cute, adorable, cute little sticker here. Okay, and then you get the processor itself. Now remember, because of safety reasons, I'm not opening the processor because of all those sensitive little pins. Don't want to bend one of them and ruin the whole day. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for watching this amazing unboxing video of the AMD Ryzen 5800X CPU. Be sure to make sure you are subscribed to Techno Warriors TV for the full video review coming soon. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed this unboxing video, all you have to do is strangle that subscribe button, slap that like button in the face, and pow, right in the kisser. Bang, zoom, you're going to the moon. Have an amazing day, and thank you so much, Robert Graham, for your support. Go AMD.